Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a link to images on your website in Elementor WordPress. This is incredibly useful when you want to make images clickable, whether you're directing visitors to another page, an external website, or a specific product. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Pages, then select All Pages. This will display all the pages you've created on your website. Look for the specific page you want to edit and click on Edit with Elementor. This opens up the Elementor Page Builder, which is where we'll be working to add your clickable image. Now that you're in the Elementor editor, focus your attention on the left panel. Here you'll find various widgets that you can add to your page. Look for the image widget and select it. This widget is essential for inserting images into your design and controlling their behavior. Once you've selected it, you'll need to choose the image you want to use. You have two options here. You can either upload a new file directly from your computer, or you can select an existing image from your media library if you've already uploaded it previously. With your image now placed on the page, it's time to make it clickable. In the left panel, you'll see the Content tab. Click on it and scroll down until you find the link section. This is where the magic happens. Click on the link drop-down menu, and from the options that appear, select Custom URL. This setting allows you to specify exactly where you want your image to direct visitors when they click on it. Finally, in the link field that appears, type or paste your target URL. This could be a link to another page on your website, an external site, or even a specific anchor point on the same page. Make sure the URL is complete and accurate to ensure your visitors land exactly where you intend them to go. And there you have it. You've successfully added a clickable link to an image on your website using Elementor. Your image is now interactive and ready to guide your visitors wherever you want them to go. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.